Hello guys, VST here, Velian Speaks Tech. It's time for another Google Camera video, and this time we have a new version from Urnyx05, so Urnyx05 7.2 version 2.2. Please stay throughout the whole video where I'm going to install the new version, see what are the latest things. And guys, I will not tell you to like the video and I will not tell you to subscribe to my channel because you're grown up adults and you know what to do better than me. So let's take the phone and do it. Boom, there it is. So here we have the latest version from Urnyx05. It's the 7.2 version 2.2. Let's go to the changelog. We have almost working except slow motion. Okay, so a very big disclaimer guys, slow motion is not working. I'm just saying this because a lot of people are putting down in the comments below that slow motion is not working. Yes, it is not working, we know, it's a known bug. Custom settings are provided such as sharpness, denoise, etc. Aux Cameras with Magisk Module. So this is a very important reminder, and I want to say this again guys, if you don't have root on your phone and install the proper Magisk Module to have access to the Aux Cameras in Google Cam, which means access to the wide and the lens, they will not work. And we have 30x digital zoom, alright, it's a little bit noisy, but it should work. Let's see, it was not working so well in some of the previous versions, and even modders like Burial did limit this to 10x because 30x was giving problems. Astrophotography, stop it with the button. So very important guys, when you try to shoot a picture with astrophotography, you need to manually stop it with the button, alright? XML support for different scenarios, and finally 30 and 60 FPS selection in the video, which is very nice guys. Okay, now because it's important, I'm going to also say what is not working. So 48 megapixel RAW is not possible right now, so if you want to shoot raw photos, then you have to stay on GCam 6.x, HDR Enhanced when taking pictures facing the sun. I noticed this myself guys, that's not a joke. If you are shooting the sun directly with the HDR Plus Enhanced, it will not work. Google Photos, you have to enable it on settings. Tap to zoom, okay, tap is back, use pinch to screen. So very important guys, if you do like this, it will crash, so you need to use pinch to screen to have proper zoom. And again, RAW is not available in Google Camera 7.2. there is no AES or electronic image stabilization, and one last time, slow motion doesn't work in any GCam. You can't say it better than this. Alright, I have downloaded this, I'm going to install it, but guys, always what we do, just go and remove the previous version. So up info, force stop, then you go for storage and cache, clear storage, press OK, go back, uninstall. If you're watching my videos guys on GCam, you should be able to do this with your eyes closed. Alright, now go Files Manager, and here GCam 7.2 Urnyx05 2.2, let's press install it, okay? We have to wait for the magic to happen and bring the latest Google Camera port in our phones and transform those phones into something they should actually be, phones with good cameras. Not that the stock camera is so bad, alright? Very important message guys, for video I generally use the stock camera for OnePlus 7, and even sometimes for some of the pictures I still use the OnePlus 7 Pro camera. Okay, press down here, okay, now it's gonna get added here, okay, just add it there. Alright, and let's see here guys, here I have the Google Camera 7.3 by Innova. You can check the video, it's gonna be somewhere here or here. 7.3, again some fancy stuff here, but let's go to the original topic of our discussions, the Urnyx05 2.2. So let's open it. Then we need to do some settings guys, let's press allow, allow again, allow again. Okay, then we can go to the settings and just see what are the new things. Okay, save location, I always put this on. Okay, only when using the app. Camera sounds, it's up to you. Google Lens suggestions, always on. Framing hints, always on. Save, selfie as previewed, I don't like that one. Also share, you know I'm not a big fan, remove that one. Gestures, grid type, go for 2.3. Advanced. Show dirty lens warning, HDR Plus control, RAW and JPEG control. Okay, doesn't make any sense because we know that RAW is not working. Store videos efficiently, that's very good if you need to use the HEVC codec, which is not included into the original OnePlus 7 Pro stock camera. Then we have leap aperture, okay, you can enable leap aperture, change the settings there. Okay, pixel auto white balance in HDR Enhanced off, HDR Enhanced frames, I keep it up to 15, it's up to you guys. Maximum screen brightness, disable zoom in portrait mode, enable astrophotography if you want. Never touch this auxiliary camera if you don't have root in the proper module because Google Camera will crash and you need to clear the data and run it again. Okay, here, ultra high resolution 4K, marked, video stabilization mark, pretty much all of it. If we go to info, we see there is no joke, it is actually the 2.2. Now let's see some of the new things. If we go to video guys, you should expect to get here a frame per second selection, and actually it's there. So let's just directly go to 60 and try to shoot a nice video. I just want to see, guys, how well, you know, it's gonna work, like any stutter whatsoever. So la 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 la. Let's just open it right now. Okay. Nice video. I just want to see, guys, how not well, bad. You know, it's gonna work, like any stutter whatsoever. So la 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 la. It is not bad, guys. I can tell it's not bad. It's 60 frames. All right. Now let's go to the night side. Here, guys, in the night side, you see I have astrophotography on. Now every time you're gonna be shooting this, it's going to work with astrophotography. If you want to disable astrophotography and use the regular night side, you need to go to settings and disable astrophotography. Now let's go back and just do some nice pictures, guys. I have something I want to test. Whoop. Okay. All right, now let's go to HDR plus. Let's do it like that. Okay. All right, Jesus, amazing. Amazing photo, really. I'm not kidding you, guys. This looks very nice. Okay, and let's test also something, guys. They said 30x, so let's test the 30x. We go 3.9, 4.9, 8, 10, wow, 12, pressure intensifies, 30. Jesus, that is really working. Let's take a thick jump. Wow, okay, yeah, not so bad. What is more important is that actually it does work, guys, so very important. Always use like this, never do tap. You see, if you do like this, it could crash. Okay, I think, guys, those are like the new settings. Again, a very nice iterative update of one of the best cameras out there, Google Cameras. So I'm gonna be putting the link down below into the video description. Again, guys, I will not tell you to like and I will not tell you to subscribe, but I'll tell you that you are grown up, guys, and you know what to do better than me. I hope you enjoyed this video. VST over, and don't forget to have a very nice day. Bye.